So, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang official message ng immigration kasi talagang kinonfirm ko ito sa kanila kung kailangan pa ba talaga ng affidavit of support and guarantee kapag parents or anak or asawa ang kasamang mag-travel or ang sponsor. So, ito po yung sagot ng immigration. Please be advised that for first-degree civil of consanguinity and affinity, so nakalagay dito, naka-close parenthesis po yung parents, spouse, children. An affidavit of support and guarantee or AOSG is not necessary. So yan po yung sagot ng immigration. Kapag parents, asawa, or anak ang sponsor, hindi kailangan ng affidavit of support and guarantee. And then nakalagay, and then sabi dito, however, you have to provide proof of your relationship. So kailangan nyo mag-provide ng proof of relationship. So kapag asawa, maghanda kayo ng marriage certificate. Kapag naman parents or anak, maghanda kayo ng birth certificate to prove your relation with your sponsor. Again ha, ito po ay para sa parents, spouse, or children ang sponsor nyo. Nakalagay dito, for second degree of civil consanguinity, nakaparenthesis dito yung siblings. Siblings po is kapatid. AOSG is necessary. Ang affidavit of support and guarantee ay necessary. Kailangan po talaga kapag second degree up to fourth degree. So yung kapatid ay belong po sa second degree. So meaning kapag kapatid ang sponsor, pinsan, lolo, lola, tita, tito, kailangan nyo na ng affidavit of support and guarantee.